Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how I earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling a tag in data with metadata descriptors or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr. True data annotation involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple. Create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see, here we have a small number of offers comparing with other services. Let's see, for example, logo design. Here we have over 250,000 results, that mean over 250,000 offers. So let's see that one. For example, music producer. As you can see here, we have over 14,000 results. Let's see, for example, that one, video editing. So as you can see here, we have over 69,000 results. I mean over 69,000 offers. So let's go to that one. For example, search engine optimization. See you. So it's over 63,000 offers. That mean strong competition. It's really hard to start as a freelancer here, but you can start as a data annotation. As you can see, it's really simple, so you can just without any advanced coding skills you can start. So the question is how. So you can open, or all you have to do is open your web browser and type fiverr.com. It will lead you to this home page, and there is just two ways to um, dive to data annotation. The first one is click over here. The second one is scrolling down, and many services will appear. So here we have data, and you can click over here data annotation. So as you can see, many offers appear. So you don't have to need any advanced coding skills, as I mentioned. If we scroll down, you know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services. And as you can see, the minimum amount is $5, and you can find $10, $35, $15, and why not, you can find $100. So it's depend on how much you need, how much time you need, and how much bounding boxes you can finish in a specific time. So let's select an example or an offer to more understand. Here we have that one. Let's select that one. So there is the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. And as you can see here, we have to start as a data annotators. It will be your task is labeling items, images as example, videos by marking this object, or drawing circles, squares around them. So here we have the details for The amount is $5 for 400 bonding boxes in one day, and for the standard one is $40 for 3,600 bonding boxes in 2 days, and for the premium one is $125 for 10,000 bonding boxes in 6 days delivery. So you can find the same offers, but you cannot find the same details. It's totally different because it's depend on how much the data annotator need and how much bounding boxes he can get in a specific time. So to more understand, let's compare this example with another one. So here we have that one. As you can see, the standard, here we have a different amount and a different number of bounded boxes, and here we have uh 3,600 bounding boxes, and here we have 4,000 bounding boxes, so in 2 days. So for the most expensive one, it's the premium one. So here we have $2,000 for 10,000 bonding boxes in 5 days. So it's really different. And as I said, it's depend on time and how much bonding boxes you can get. So let's see another one. Here we have for the premium one is $100 for 12,000 bonding boxes, and here we have $35 for 4,200 bonding boxes, and there's the basic one, $5 for 600 bonding boxes. So you can just get more information and learn the basic thing. You don't have to learn any special skills or any advanced coding skills. As I said, it's really simple, and you can start as a data annotator in Fiverr or in another platform such as Toluca. So here we have this platform. You can start here as a data annotator by clicking over here, and then you will sign up on Google or with Facebook, and you can get jobs. Then you can get your own money as a freelancer. And we have another platform, it's AudioB. It's for audio data. You can just click over here, become a freelancer, and you will start as a data annotator if you want, and you can get more information about platform. So these three platform that I mentioned is just an example. There is other ones you can earn money from it, and you can start as a data annotator. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.